The term online banking is basically called internet banking, e-banking, or virtual banking. A customer uses an electronic medium to visit the website of a banking institution for financial transactions. Both the medium and the financial service provider together form the term electronic banking. The electronic banking services includes online banking service to make the transaction process easy and safe, ATM and debit card services to provide instant cash to the customers, phone banking service to benefit the customers by saving their time, SMS banking to provide alerts and information to the customers, mobile banking to provide ease to the customer for making transactions using mobile phones, fund transfer services through various channels, point of sales banking, electronic fund transfer. Now, the electronic fund transfer is the electronic transfer of money from one bank account to another, either within a single financial institution or across multiple institutions via computer based system without the direct intervention of bank staff. Electronic fund transfer transactions are also referred to as electronic banking. Everything is done paper free, so there is not a need for cash or paper checks. There are various types of electronic fund transfer payments, like direct deposit, which lets you electronically pay employees, or there is a wire transfers. There are ATMs which let you bank without going inside a bank. There are debit cards which allow you to make EFT transactions. There are electronic checks. There are pay by phone systems which let you pay bills or transfer money between accounts over the phone. There is a personal computing banking. All these are the types of EFT payments. Here I listed out some of the references for further reading. Now let us discuss about the basic e-business marketing concepts. E-commerce marketing is the method of making sales by creating and increasing awareness about an online store's product offerings and brand. It's also called online marketing. Internet marketing is the process of promoting a business or brand and its products or services over the internet using tools that help drive traffic, leads, and sales. The obvious purpose of the internet marketing is to sell goods, services, or advertising over the internet. The electronic business or e-business marketing, also called e-commerce marketing, consists of promoting or selling a company's product or services over the internet. E-business is general term that encompasses all forms of using digital information and communication technologies to support and optimize business processes. In contrast, e-commerce describes only the online trading of products and services and is therefore only subsection of e-business. Here some of the references I have listed. Please go through it for further reading. Now let us discuss about the branding. There are some of the uh, branding strategies like company name branding, individual branding, attitude branding, brand extension branding, private label branding. The company name branding is well-known brands leverage the popularity of their own company names to improve brand recognition. Logos, slogans, packaging, or colors are generally recognized by consumers in association with the business as a whole. Now, let us see individual branding. Large companies with a variety of well known products may opt for an individual branding strategy by giving each product its own brand name. There's one more, that is the attitude branding. Like sometimes a company will rely on an overall feeling or attitude to market its products and reflect its business. This branding strategy brings the business to life by marketing a larger feeling to create an emotional connection between the brand and its customers. We have a brand extension branding. Here, an existing strong brand may decide to extend its success into a new venture with effective use of brand extension strategy. We have a private label branding where successful store brands may use private label branding strategies to compete with the larger retailers. Here I have listed out some of the references for the further reading.